Welcome to Carpedia, your ultimate destination for all things automotive. Get ready to rev your engines and embark on an exhilarating journey through the exciting and ever-evolving world of cars. The legend has a new name. For a decade, the Lamborghini Huracán ruled the streets, a testament to Italian audacity and untamed performance. But legends evolve. Temerario. Italian for reckless, daring, a name that embodies the spirit of this revolutionary machine. The design is a radical departure, a symphony of sharp angles and aerodynamic curves. But the drama doesn't stop on the outside. Step inside. The Temerario's interior is a fusion of luxury and technology. Soft Italian leather meets sleek carbon fiber accents, a perfect marriage of form and function. This isn't just a car, it's a command center, a place where driver and machine become one. But the heart of the Temerario lies in its performance. Here, Lamborghini embraces the future without sacrificing its heritage. A next-generation, twin-turbocharged V8 engine roars to life, unleashing a symphony of power that will leave you breathless. Lamborghini hasn't forgotten about handling either. The Temerario carves through corners with precision and razor-sharp responsiveness, thanks to advanced all-wheel drive and an intelligent suspension system. The Temerario is more than just a car, it's a statement. It's a testament to Lamborghini's unwavering commitment to pushing boundaries and rewriting the rules of the game. The legend continues. The future of supercars is here. The Lamborghini Temerario. Thanks for watching my video. We hope you enjoyed the journey through the world of cars with us. Don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a pit stop on our automotive adventure. Keep those engines roaring, and we'll see you on the next episode of Carpedia. Until then, stay safe, stay tuned, and keep cruising.